as we go around the room.
Matongoretio ni Wairimu wa Njenga, uria niwe mwambiriria wa gikundi giki. Atumia aria mambiriirie kambuni guku bururi-ini marauga wonjoria ni uthiete thi na gucungiriria bururi kwaga guthondeka mieke ya mawira o undu umwe na kwaga kwarahura utonga waguo.
And we appreciate you for uplifting other women.
Hindi ya mucamanio wa kurianira na kunorana mukawa-ini umwe guku Nairobi, atumia aya maugite ihinda ni ikinyu thirikari imurike riera ria biacara amu haha noho mukenya wa kawaida angegunikira.
Empower mutumia umwe wa empower atumia ta 10. So na wa empower atumia ta 10, 10 women are going to be contributing to the economy. Kube tuthi na mbere na ku empower atumia so that they continue empowering and living the legacy kwe atumia ange. No turie thirikari igerie kunyihanyihia magoti nigetha atumia mahote gwitheremia, atumia mahote ku expand biashara ciao matari na so many limitations.
Rigene makoragwo na imposter syndrome na ndogi makorwo ni maretigira muno kwanjiriria undu na gwitigira undu. So ni undu wa kugwa utangianjiriria undu ndungimenya undu ucio kana no uthie na mbere, utangianjiriria undu ndungimenya kana no uhote. So first of all ni uga try gwika undu ucio ekioguage wagwa riu nikio twi haha tukaraniria tukamenya atiriri uku bounce back atia.
Oho atumia aya ni matarite aruna ao aria matarikite biacara-ini kurika kuo, makiuga no biacara-ini mutumia angihota gwikura ukombo-ini wao kia guoya wa kwambia thuguri na wagi wa kigina ikigwetwo ta muhinga munene. Indi atumia aya makauga ici titumi cia atumia gutigwo na thutha.
You might buy a product in China, but when it arrives in Kenya you find that especially in consolidation the taxes are a bit high. So for me it's just to say we need regulations. We need maybe for them to revise on these shipping fees, or even when it comes to taxes, to see whether people who are beginners in business they can get at least fair rates, because it's quite high. I won't lie to you. And you find that sometimes when I import something for someone and I tell them that you are going to pay this amount, they are like, no, I'm not paying that because I bought at 30,000. Why do I need to pay 40,000-50,000 to clear my goods?
Kendo gitumaga ithu atumia tuhota gwituma muno thaici kwaja ni ati wena ciana na we mutumia no muhaka witume niguo ciana ciaku cihote guikara wega na gukorwo na muturire mwega. Na wetuma ta mutumia ni wiguaga some difference. Mundu ena bia ciake muhuko, kwina kaundu gakoragwo ho ukehe gwitatia kahinya kagi.
Augukiri uguo atumia ni mataritwo kwambiriria kwendia indo cia kambuni ciao nenda-ini cia kiriu kuria kuri na thoko nyandanduku makiria na thogora withi wa gukinyira andu aingi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngena wa Wadiro.